We worked with an organization out of Jackson called Imagine Jackson, and that small help put Square One in a building in the Jackson area where it's difficult to have a business going.
The Business Council helped to renovate it to make it more appropriate for our purposes and our needs. And as a result, the company really took off after we were able to move into the new facility. We've been able to grow, create a lot of additional jobs here in Wyoming, and remain in the town we love.
They have hired people and utilized other businesses in the area to achieve their goals.
The fact that we were able to move in here and expand our business certainly, I think, contributed to the significant success that GH2O has enjoyed over the last 10 years. And there's a number of other companies here in Jackson and throughout the state of Wyoming that have also benefited from this.
And then it can also do all 3 rotations.
They're pursuing some Air Force contracts that have the potential to really make an impact on their company, but also on the state of Wyoming.
The scope of our work has really expanded, once again, thanks to the facility that we've got to execute those projects.
In our old building, it consisted of a dining area with 4 tables, so we could hold 32 people. And we had a kitchen smaller than a trailer kitchen, and we're trying to serve meals.
They had to close the oven door to get down the aisles of the kitchen.
We tried to renovate it, expand, but it was going to be too costly because it was an old, basically double-wide trailer.
They found a building that had been vacant for over 10 years that was on its way to becoming slum and blighted right on their main street.
In a small rural area, you have an abandoned building and then it gets opened. It's like a boost to the whole town.
Their membership has increased greatly and they can seat them all together.
We have room for more people to come and take part in just being a social gathering place in the town.